So in this question we have to sort these compound in increasing order of pKb values. So we know that pKb is nothing but directly proportional to 1 by Kb. Kb is basic strength and Kb is directly proportional to 1 by isomeric and mesmeric effect. So first we sort these compound according to Kb values. So according to Kb values, 1 is greater than 2 second compound, and second is greater than fourth compound, and fourth is greater than third compound. So pKb is directly proportional to 1 by Kb, so we will reverse this order. So the pKb order will be 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 3. So option would be C.